Okay, so let's start. Today we are going to revise voice, and after that, question answers of Vipin Chaudhary. Okay, so let's start. I think rules we have discussed so many times, right? So one by one, start telling me the rules. I'll write and then I'll give you the exercise. Hurry up. Simple present tense. Okay, I'll do one thing. Wait. When only write or writes is written as a verb. Just tell me, that's all. Nothing else. I'll give you the verbs, okay? And then you have to tell me that this verb will change into this. I hope the tense is clear from this verb. Is writing? Active to passive voice. I'm going to write the verbs that are in active, and you have to tell me about passive. Yes. Yes, Anmol. What? This is active. I have written write if the verb is write or writes. Bani said it will change into is writing. In voice. Is it correct? Yes, no. Bani? It's not always is. In voice, we always write third form of the verb in passive voice. Is, am, are writing. Was written. Was written, being written what? Do you have any idea what are we doing? Correct, Anmol. Anmol, you should be here. They all are giving wrong answers. It's active to passive voice. We don't change the tense. Is being written. And you haven't changed was, is, or is, am, are, whatever is being written. Has, have written. Shriya, where are you? Correct, Anmol. Correct, Avni. Had been written. Was written. Correct. It was written. Was written. Correct, Avni. What? Next, so I think you can easily write had written. I'm going to in case there is any other model auxiliary. Can be written. Could be written. We don't change the tense. Yes, Anmol. Now just listen carefully. First thing, that whenever we change any sentence from active to passive, right? In that case, first you need to understand the tense. That change in place, and that is quite simple. Subject plus verb plus object, and then object plus helping verb plus main verb plus, okay, third form, and then this is quite simple. You change the places and everything. The main part is this. If you are not able to change the tense, you will not get marks. Is it okay? I'm going to deduct full marks. Okay. So if the tense, that is present, simple present, no need to change the tense. If it is in present tense, you have to keep it in present only. Okay. And if there is no has have in the sentence, no need to add has have. Okay. In that case, we'll go with is MR or was were. Is it okay? So writes means simple present is MR plus third form. Third form of the verb, that is common. Is it okay? Third form of the verb is common. So what we have to do is MR. That's all. Same way, simple past, was, were, written. Continuous is MR, writing. It means now we have helping verb also, we have the main verb also. But our motive is that we have to change it into third form. So, but still we want to show that sentence is in continuous form. We will add ing form. Is, am, are, being, and then third form of the verb. Has, have written. Here we just need to add one verb, that is been. Otherwise, no need to change because we already have written third form. Okay, just a second, wait. Next is same with continuous, was, were, being shows continuity. And if we have been, this means the sentence shows perfect tense. Is it okay? And for modal auxiliaries or future tense, Pulkit, what we are supposed to do, we will not change anything. Means will not change into, we will not change will to would, can to, could, shall to, should, nothing. If there is will, we have to write will. Just introduce one more verb, that is be. That's all. Is it okay? Could be written. If there is can, then we have to write can be written. No need to change can into could. Is it okay? Correct? Understood? Any doubt? First thing, always third form of the verb. No need to change the tense. Okay, you will not change the tense. If present, you have to use the present tense only. And in case we have negative sentences, and in negative sentences, definitely we use do or does, and with past we use did. This means I'm talking about negative sentence. Okay. So in that case, do, does, this represents simple present tense. Simple present tense means this. So we will go with is, am, are plus whatever the main verb is. Same with simple past. If did is written, it means it is in simple past. So was, were plus whatever the main verb is. Got it? Other for others, we already have helping verbs. So is MR not writing? You already know. Okay? So let's start with the exercises. Pulkit, get ready to give answers. 10 sentences. Pulkit, hurry up. Now my turn is over. Let me write one more. Done? Done? Let's start. I already got so many answers here. Punya, your second answer is correct. Akshima. Akshima, in 6th, you have missed one word. Check that. Yes, now it is correct. Let's start. Paramjeet done. Last, Akshita. Harsahaj. I'm talking about answers. Correct. First, correct, Avni. Correct. Second, correct, Avni. Third, also correct. Seventh. There is only one clause, Anvay, in 7th. Okay, second sentence. Yes, there are 2 objects now. Now you have to choose. You can use any object to change the sentence into passive. Okay, let's start. First, Sarthak decorated the classroom. Pulkit. The class is being decorated. You were sleeping now? Yes. Yes, Hardik. By Sarthak, not by the Sarthak. This is proper noun, na? No. Here is the stick. Keeping the social distancing norms in my mind. So it is, the classroom was decorated by Sarthak. Why was decorated? It is simple past, right? And simple past, we change simple past to was, verb plus third form of the verb, right? Next, The manager could give him a notice. A notice could be given to him by the manager. Any other way? A notice could be given to him by the manager. He could be given a notice by the manager. There are two objects, right? Direct and indirect object. So you can use any object to change the sentence into passive. Got it? First is a notice could be given to him by the manager, or he could be given a notice by the manager. Both are correct. Ram has bought the toy. Ram has bought the toy. The toy has been bought by a Ram, by Ram. Yes, Anvay. They are cheering the captain. Sure, the captain is being, because there is R. Just check. It's R. Okay, so the captain is being cheered by them. The captain is being cheered by them. Next. What? Is it in continuous form? Is this in continuous form? Is are. Ram did not complete the assignments. The assignments were not completed by Ram. Okay? The chief guest will give away the prizes. The prizes will be given by the chief guest. Given away. Don't skip the word. Okay? So it is the prizes will be given away by the chief guest. The gardener cuts the grass. Is cut by the gardener because simple present. Otherwise, this sentence is in continuous form, but I have changed it. So it is the grass is cut by the gardener. Everybody will blame us. You will be blamed. We will be blamed. If you write we will be blamed, still it is okay. Avni, it is correct. No, go with everybody. And better way to skip this. Somebody, everybody, everyone, anyone, someone, skip that part. Okay? She was cleaning the utensils. What? The utensils were being cleaned by. Tom can build a house. A house can be BUIL. This or this. T for toy or D for dog? Sure? Yes. Last. Rithi does not paint the house well. The house is not painted well by Rithi. The house is not painted well by Rithi. वो थोड़ा अजीब लगेगा. Well by Rithi. 9th में by skip कर सकते हैं. 9th, she was cleaning the utensils. The utensils. You can, but usually, yes, you can, but in such type of cases, Anvay, when something is not obvious, we try to write the subject. In this was obvious. But here, it can be some other person, maybe he or some name. So that is why we try to write. Seventh. The grass is cut by the gardener. No need to use being or been Karan. It is in simple present. Is MR plus third form of the verb. That's all. Punya, one shows continuity and other shows the perfect form. Okay. Now, 5 minutes only. I'm going to ask you questions. Hurry up and give me the answers. Bipin Babu. First is, why did Bipin like to read books? Not in the chapter, na? Not in the back exercise. Give answer. Yes. Why did Bipin Babu like to read books? Hurry up. Because he used to live alone and reading books made him engaged in work. Okay. His hobby, and also he didn't like to talk to others. Yes. It is why. Kyun. So reason is because he lives, first thing, he lived alone, right? Second important reason was, you can say the main reason was he didn't like to talk to, yes, he didn't like to indulge himself in useless talks. So that is why he read books. Yes, to entertain. Okay, next is, who was observing Bipin Chaudhary at bookshop? Parimal Ghosh. Yes, Parimal Ghosh. And okay, I think you know this. According to Parimal Ghosh, where was Bipin Chaudhary in 58? Ranchi? Don't you think it's Kanpur? Sure. And according to Bipin Babu, where was he? Yes. And according, yeah, no, not Kanpur. For first answer, it is according to the man, Bipin was in Ranchi. Okay. And according to Bipin Chaudhary, he was in Kanpur at his friend's house. Okay. Who was Paresh Chandra? Yes, doctor. And who was Dinesh Mukherjee? Any other friend's name that is being mentioned in the chapter? Okay, who sent the letter at the end? Who sent the letter to Bipin and what was written there in that letter? Chunilal? What he tricked Bipin Babu. How? How? That Ranchi trip, everything was just planned, right? It was, yes, he had never been to Ranchi. And why he did so? Why he tricked Bipin? Why he played prank? Who was not helping? Who? Bipin Babu was not helping Chunilal to find the, so he took the revenge. What do you learn from this chapter? That's all. You sure? Trust on our memory. We should. This is not in our hand now. Yes, that we must help others in need. Correct. This is correct, that we should help others in need, because sometimes you never know when you will be in that particular situation and you need the help. Right? Yes, definitely in genuine cases. Not that somebody is not at all doing his or her homework, and every time that person is asking you to give the notebooks, and this is not the help. Okay, so don't do this. Yes, Anmol, correct. Okay, one question. What happened at Kali Charan's shop? Hardik, what happened at Kali Charan's shop? Yes, it was that Parimal Ghosh, one man, he was continuously staring at him and introduced himself as Parimal Ghosh. And yes. Okay, so now the time is over. Bye, take care.